this is Melissa from Sunshine Cake Boaard. Welcome to watch my video collection. Melissa talk about cake boards. But today, I'm not talking about cake board. I would like to introduce our Sunshine and very new range cake board. That is Bling Bling Cake Board. See this product? The cake board edge, which with very beautiful diamond. Of course, this is not the real diamond, it's a bling bling diamond. For this new product, we just launched last month and very popular. Some customers buy this cake board back to their shop. They will watch for the wedding cake board and some celebration and the birthday, which makes your cake really beautiful and makes the whole party really extremely bling bling. So I hope you like this kind of cake board, and we have more other diamond collection for you to choose. So if you have any interesting or inquiry of this product, welcome to inquiry of us.